Another vlog, another day. Another day, another vlog. Hello everyone. Blue sky. Blue sky, beautiful weather guys. Beautiful weather. It's a blue sky. Thank you so much for the weather guys. Thank you Lord for the nice weather. You can see the trees guys is still green, but some of them it's changing to yellowish for now. Yeah, like that. But after a month, maybe it's gonna be all orange, reddish, pinkies, red. There's activity here guys. This is a big part too, but it's not too big. Malaki-laki na rin guys. Ang cute ng aso. There's activity in here. Oh wow. Sana hindi ulan. Guys, look what I found. Repilan ng bote. Ayan no. Repilan ng bote. Oy. Small house. It's small house. Kasi yung ano na dito sa park ko, instead you have to empty your bottle. There you can refill in here. Look. It says there. It's so cute, no? Maliit na house. Maliit na kubo. School, 1, 2, 3. I think 6. May payong pa. Diba? So cute. That's my service. It's my Ibana. May Ibana. Ay, Ibana. Hindi na kita nalinisan. That's the park now, guys. They have a big show here. Baka may artista kaya? Ma-artista. Aga nila na gano'n nag-set up. Ayan po. Hampstead Park. Daming kubo. Mga tent in case going rain maybe. To make it sure everyone in prepared. Ang laki ng stage nila oh. Daig pa ang laki talaga. Sino kaya nag-sponsor dito? So beautiful guys. What I found, look at this. Beautiful flower. Beautiful flower. Look what I found. What a beautiful flower is. Laki oh. Diba? Laki. Alright. Alright. Beautiful. Dito pastulan ng mga aso guys, dyan. May bakod. Ayan pong bakod. Kasi bawal po mismo sa park. magpastol ng mga aso. So meron silang talagang nilagay na isang place maliit. Ito, malaki na rin to. Kasi mga tai-tai nila guys. Minsan mga ano, hindi sila nagpupulot. So yeah, nilagyan nilang ganito. Diba? Kasi maapakan. Minsan ano, diba guys? For cleanliness. Maganda. Ang ganda talaga ng langit guys. Oh, blue na blue. Blue sky. Ang ganda. Nakakapag-relax. Nakakapag-relax. Nakaka-relax. Oh, isang ikot. Ikot-ikot. Ganda na ng langit pag ganyang kulay blue. So beautiful guys. Oh, blue sky. Greenish. Still greenish all the trees guys. Look at the leaves. It's all is still greenish. Soon it's gonna be changing color. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now. Thank you for the support. Thank you.